Creating a Zillow 3D home tour involves capturing panoramic images of your property and uploading them to Zillow. Here's a concise guide to get you started. Download the Zillow 3D Home app. Download the Zillow 3D Home app from the Apple App Store. Set up an account. Sign into your Zillow account or create a new one within the app. Prepare your home. Ensure the home is clean and well lit. Turn on all lights and open curtains or blinds to maximize natural light. Capture panoramic images. Open the Zillow 3D Home app and start a new tour. Use a compatible 360-degree camera or your iPhone to capture panoramic images. Follow the prompts to take photos of each room. Stand in the center of the room and slowly rotate to capture a complete view. Capture additional angles if necessary for large or complex spaces. Upload and edit. Once all images are captured, upload them through the app. Edit the tour by arranging the images in order and adding labels to each room. Publish the tour. Review the tour for accuracy and completeness. Publish the 3D tour to your Zillow listing. The tour will be automatically linked to your property on Zillow.